Get started. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I want to share a course outline Ubuntu Linux for the beginner. I am Boni. At first, I want to discuss the course overview. Like that, the course overview. It's Ubuntu Linux for the beginner, designed to provide a comprehensive introduction course. You know the operating system. Lots of operating system, but Ubuntu operating system is Linux based kernel. Actually, the course aims to the student with a fundamental skill, fundamental learning, fundamental knowledge Ubuntu effectively. The focus cybersecurity student, system security student, and basically it's designed by the learner. Course duration is week based course, like that. 8-week design and 16 session designed. The course overview. When you achieve the course, the course objective, understand the fundamental of Linux, its role and cybersecurity are related, gain Ubuntu Linux command line CLI, like that, and graphical GUI, basic networking concept, configuration and IP address networks into Ubuntu Linux. Actually, fertilizer yourself with package management and software installation in Ubuntu operating system. Develop fundamental knowledge of Ubuntu Linux security principle and factories. Explore essential Linux file system and management permission, and many others are related course. It's a session wise course. I want to share my course outline. At first, session 1, introduction to Ubuntu Linux. Its subsection and subtracts overview Ubuntu Linux and significant in cybersecurity, installation and configuration Ubuntu Linux. At first priority, when a learner work in a course or related study, at first priority and first curriculum, how to make a lab. Then in this course, knowing installation and configuration of Ubuntu Linux. Introduction to Ubuntu desktop environment. Session 2, Ubuntu Linux command line interface, CLI, that including navigating the command line interface, the basic file and directory operation, command syntax and structure. Have a session 3, Ubuntu Linux and graphical user interface, GUI. Then GUI mode, customize the desktop environment, managing application and Windows, like that. Session 4 has a file system management and permission, including the subsection understanding the Linux file system hierarchy, managing file and directories, file and directory permission and the ownership. The session 5, networking in Ubuntu Linux, networking configuration in interface, IP addressing and subnetting, troubleshooting network connectivity. Has a 6 session. Package management and software installation. Introduction to Package Management System, APT. managing software and package and repositories, installing and updating software Ubuntu Linux. Session 7, Introduction to Ubuntu Linux Security, understanding the Linux security principle, user group management, configuration, firewall and security setting. And session 8, the last session, common security vulnerabilities and the threat. It's an interesting part. Implement access control and unauthorized mechanism. Applying the security update and patch. Is total 8 session. I want to share this video LinkedIn, and 8 week I will complete 8 week in this course. Is total of free. If you learn, if you join us and study the video and study the course. It's a practical based course. I think it's a good opportunity for you. Thank you everyone.